Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. So as you can see on my Windows screen, today we are going to learn how to restore Windows backup to a new PC. Okay, so let's start guys. What you need to do first is you just go to your Windows button and press right click. If you don't want to just press right click, then just go to control panel from the search bar. Okay, just search CONT. Okay, it's there. From control panel, once you search control panel, the view of this tab will be smaller like this. Okay, so to make it larger you will have to go to this on your right at the top. Okay, just select the large icons. So once you select large icons, it will be like this. Okay, so to make a backup of your PC, come at the top. The second option is backup and restore Windows 7. It just says Windows 7, but you can do backup for Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. Okay, just click on that. Yeah, so once you click on that, you can see this uh, file or folder. Okay, so it's saying that create a system image or create a system repair disk, and then there is this backup or restore your file. So what we need to do is we need to set up a backup. So we'll click on setup backup. Okay, it will take some few seconds, and then just okay, yeah, here you can see. So from my side, you can see if you have a your pen drive inserting, only then you can see here. Okay, if you don't have a pen drive, you will need to select your pen drive. Only then you can go ahead and make a backup. Okay, or there is one another way you can make a backup on the drive which is on your network. But yeah, I don't think this is going to be easy. I don't think that you will be needing that. If you will be needing that, just comment me in the comment section. I will make a video on that too. Okay, so select your disk and press next. Yeah, here it's asking you that how would you like to backup and where would you like to backup. It's asking that let Windows choose recommended or that I want to choose myself. But I want to choose myself. I want to backup my image where I want to. Okay, so I will go to let me choose and click next. Yeah, from here you will have to select your files that you want to back up. Okay, so it's here. Me or you will have to select your user. Okay, once you check your user, all of these folders will be here, which are need to be back up. Okay, public folders and yeah, so you need to select this. Okay, you need to select your user folder and then start backing up. Press next. Okay, so press next and then save setting and run backup. Yeah, see it's starting backup now. So this is the easiest way that you can back up your PC. And once you back up and then press your insert your USB where you back up this backup and then uh, okay, give me a second. I will show you where you can restore into your new PC once you back up this backup. Yeah. So once you do, once you finish your backup, you can see here, restore your file. You can restore your file that were backup on the current location. Okay. So you will have to go to this restore my files. Okay. Press your backup pen drive and then select that backup and run it. So that's it, guys. This was the easiest way to do the backup. I hope you understand the video. Yeah, if you like the video, please comment on that and watch my next videos. Subscribe my channel. That's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.